Hey everyone, if you finished part 2 and part 1, you're ready now for part 3. For part 3, you're going to click here to practice in Google Slides, and as always, you'll make a copy and you'll be able to get started. This is what it will look like once it's loaded for you. You'll want to change your name here at the top and move it to that math folder. In this part, we're going to be practicing finding the area with models. So let's do it. We're going to do an example together, and then you'll be able to try the rest on your own. In this, you're going to be finding the area of the shape. So you're going to want to make sure that you're finding out how much space the inside takes up. So to do that, you're going to drag squares over, but this time, instead of going on the outside of the shape, we're going to go on the inside because we want to know how much space is being used on the inside of the shape. So we'll bring those squares over. And as we do that, we're going to start to be able to determine how much space the inside of our shape takes up. And you might find a more efficient way to do this as you work through it, and that's fine to do that. But you should show at least some squares to help you show your thinking. You don't necessarily have to do it exactly as I'm doing it. So once I've filled this square in, I'm going to be able to see how many squares are on the inside of this shape, which will help me determine the area. So now I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. There's 15, and because we're on the inside of the shape, they're square inches. 15 square inches. Because we've got squares 1 inch on each side of those squares. So 15 square inches is our answer. You're going to do the same thing for the rest of these. Go ahead and enter in what you think the area is of these shapes. Use the green squares to help you determine that. When you're all done, you can go back to Canvas because you'll get to this page. And it says to go work on another rotation if you're finished early. We're excited to see your thinking. Have fun as you practice area and perimeter.